Me, my cousin, and my brother, we were riding our bike to Walgreens, and then across the street.
I got a phone call on my cell phone from her cousin, and she said Trina has been hit by a car.
Oh my goodness, this is real. And then I started to believe.
She came in to our trauma bay as what we call a trauma code, meaning she was very severely injured.
I broke my leg and I had my nerve damaged.
A very bad injury to her upper arm. There's a big laceration that seemed to be going practically all the way down to the bone.
They really made us feel like we were the only patient on the floor. So just knowing that there was like a dedicated nurse only to her case, she had her PICU doctor.
She did need to go to surgery immediately for the arm and leg injuries.
They talked to me and told me about my injuries.
One thing that we picked up on right away that was pretty severe with her arm injury was an injury to the radial nerve. She wasn't able to lift her thumb.
So when she was laying in the PICU, she reminded me of her brother who passed away 12 years ago. So I was praying so hard that, she's gonna be here with me, So it was really hard seeing her going through the same thing that her brother did. And I was very thankful that she's still here.
I think Trina's case is a miracle story because of the severity of her injuries. I can't remember seeing an arm injury quite like this.
If you see the pictures of the accident, her tire is completely crushed. The extent of what could have happened, she didn't have any brain injuries. I mean, we walked away with everything that we could fix. I mean, even a severed nerve, they were able to find it, graft it, and it's growing now.
Well, I think Helen DeVos Children's Hospital is a unique place in that it is designed from the ground up specifically just for children and their medical needs.
The family-centered rounds of having, the entire medical team come by and talk to the family.
We always say that children are not little adults, and when it comes to injuries, trauma, that's especially true.
I learned to stay positive during all this.
I just take life seriously. I mean, don't take life for granted.
To help support life-changing programs and services at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, visit give.helendevoschildrens.org.